Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Today I thought I would bring you a quick haul of things I picked up at Target and Goodwill. So let's get started. So I'm going to start with the items I got from Goodwill. I only got 2 of them, and they're actually for an upcoming challenge. They are these 2 wooden candlesticks, and as you can see they were each, I don't know if you can tell, they're $2.99. And one of them has a metal thing in it, the other one does not, but that's okay. I'm mostly going to be using them for decorative purposes. So you'll see what I do with these in an upcoming video. So that's all I was able to find at Goodwill this time. It's hit or miss. I don't really need anything, so I didn't want to get something just for the sake of getting it. Now let's go on to Target. First I'll start with some of the more mundane items, and then I'll get into more seasonal items. So the first things I picked up were cleaning supplies, and I got some of this Method Daily Wood Cleaner. I really like this. It smells like almond oil, and it cleans and dusts at the same time. And I have wood cabinetry in my kitchen and in my master bathroom, and I also have a lot of wood furniture, so I really like either spraying this directly on the piece of furniture or cabinetry or on my dusting cloth and then going over it. And then the next thing I got was a refill of the Method Granite Cleaner. I also like to use this. We have granite counters in our kitchen as well as in our wet bar areas, and we have stone in our master bathroom. So I use this on all of those, and I like to get the big refill bottle for that. I have been looking to see if I could find a refill for this wood cleaner, but I have yet to find one. They have one for the floor cleaner, but not the daily cleaner. And then my Target still had some of these. A lot of people get these through the Grove Collaborative, but I find that's kind of expensive, and Target carries them too, and I've never tried them before. So this one's the pumpkin scent, and then this one's the apple cider scent. And I did open them up to smell them, and they smell really good, so I am going to maybe try using those this holiday season in my kitchen. And then I got some kitty treats. One of our cats likes to play with this one toy where you stick these long strings into, they make like antenna, and then you put the treats inside the toy and they can bat it around and get the treats out. So she likes to do that, so I got some more of those for her. And then the last kind of mundane thing I got is a smoke alarm. And one of our smoke alarms was making kind of a staticky noise, like and changing the battery didn't help. So I got this smoke alarm, and I found this one, and it says, I don't know if you can see, 10-year alarm life. It has a lithium battery in it, and we have one smoke alarm that's in our upstairs hallways that's kind of in a precarious position to get to. So I thought I will replace the one in the hallway with this 10-year one, and then move the hallway one over to the one that was making the noise. So I'm really hoping that that will work out for us. That way we only have to change the smoke alarm every 10 years now. Now I'll get into some more seasonal things, although the cleaning supplies were somewhat seasonal. I found this hot buttered rum coffee, Target brand coffee, Archer Farms. I thought I would try it and see how it tastes. And then I got 3 bags of these Reese's pumpkins. They were 3 for $8, so I got them to give out on Halloween. Like I said in a previous video, we don't usually get too many trick-or-treaters, so I'm hoping this 3 bags will be enough. And then, as I mentioned in another prior video, my Target seems to be the Target where when they're cleaning out seasonal items from these surrounding Targets, they bring whatever stock is left to my Target. And I found some items there yesterday that I had never seen in my Target before, and then I picked up a couple more items that I wanted to get a little extra of. So the 2 items I'd never seen in mine were these white pumpkins with little gold metallic on them, and I had been thinking of going more neutral this year, and I decided against it, so I'm thinking maybe next year I'll go more neutral. And also I'm going to be doing a Thanksgiving tablescape that I want to do in a more neutral scheme, so I may use some of these in there. And so I picked up 2 bundles of those. They also had more of the orangey pumpkins, the more reddish pumpkins, if you had seen those. And then they had more of the little apples that I showed in a prior haul. And then the last thing I got, I picked up 2 more of these taupe pumpkins. I was able to find some that were the darker taupe color. They do have a gray that is very similar in color to this, so you need to be careful. The taupe ones have this coppery stem on them though. So that's what I got at Target. So I wanted to bring this haul to you, even though some of the items I had shown you in a previous haul, such as the pumpkins, because I thought if you hadn't been able to find them at your store, look around. If you have a store like mine where they tend to gather all the seasonal items from other Targets and bring them to that store, go check out that store, because they've been getting a lot of, mine has been getting a lot of the fall items, such as the little blue truck I showed the other day, and today the white and gold mini pumpkins. And I hadn't been able to find the white ones at Dollar Tree. I had looked. They only had the red and orange ones there. So that's it for now. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a comment down below, and also a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, I hope you'll consider subscribing by clicking the subscribe button down below. I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Bye-bye, everyone.